Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. And today I am going to attempt to highlight my Pixie hair. And I'm going to use the Clairol Frost Tip. And this is for blondes to medium blondes. Well, blondes to medium brown hair. So hoping and praying this goes well. So before we get into the highlighting, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And again, I'm attempting to do this, and so hopefully it will go well. So what I'm going to do is, you can see that a lot of my hair is short, especially right here in the back. I've got a lot of short hair right here. I'm going to use smaller aluminum foil to go up underneath it. Sometimes this foil, because it's such short hair, will fall out, so you may see dropping of foil and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do, instead of using, you see I've got it all sectioned off, my hair is all sectioned off. What I'm going to do is use a makeup brush with a really skinny, small tip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush and paint the hair in streaks. And then I'm going to foil it up gently and leave it. So I've got it all mixy. It's all ready to go. Deep breath. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so I think I'm done. And to be honest with you, I probably highlighted more than I want to, and maybe it's turning out to be collage, and that's okay too. So yeah, it's always a risk when you're doing it yourself. So I'm going to wait a few more minutes from the hair in the back to get the color that I want. I will take a shower, get it all fixed up, and show you the finished product. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, this is the finished look, and I wanted to show it to you in natural light, and I'm really happy with it. It's more subtle than I expected, but I really like it. I think that looks good. It is subtle, but it really has different highlights in it. So thank you so much for watching this, and I hope that it was helpful for you and that you might maybe try it in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.